Okay, folks, welcome to another episode of Get Wealthy, Stay Wealthy. The most important thing in the stock market is earnings, and earnings growth has been excellent. A++ for last quarter's earnings, on track for the best earnings since the pandemic rebound. Not only are earnings excellent, but it's not just about tech. 10 of the 11 sectors in the S&P 500 had increased profit margins, and that's before AI really starts to kick in a lower cost. On top of that, the AI story of the job wipeout in America is not happening. Employers announced plans to hire 16,000 workers, highest since 2022, and these companies have announced 107,500 new workers, up 25% from July of last year. That's from Great Challenger. So the story of this year really is even though tech is talked about all day, which is good, diversification really matters this year. So if you look at the end of the first quarter, we showed this chart before, on growth stocks are only up 5%. Mag 7 was down for the year. That has changed in the last month. But you see the other leadership in the market that we're going to talk about now. Now, the Mag 7 returns have been shrinking over the course of the last 4 years. This is from Opening Bell Daily. 106% in 2023, 64% in 2024, up 25% last year, up just 5% so far this year. But if you go across the board, things that growth stocks have outperformed everything over the course of the last 6-7 years, but this year value stocks have returned almost double growth stocks. Small cap stocks have returned almost double the S&P 500, and emerging market stocks have returned 20% versus S&P 500, a little over 13%. So the story of this year is earnings are spreading well beyond tech. Profit margins are getting better in 10 of the 11 sectors, and the economy continues to generate jobs. That's it for this week's episode. Just remember, investing is a psychology game, not an IQ game.